Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing the pros and cons of using Binance, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Let's start with the pros. First and foremost, Binance offers a wide range of trading pairs, including major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as many altcoins. This means that you can easily diversify your portfolio and take advantage of different trading opportunities. Another advantage of Binance is its low fees. Compared to other exchanges, Binance charges some of the lowest fees in the industry, especially if you use its native Binance coin to pay for transactions. Additionally, Binance offers a wide range of trading tools and features, such as margin trading and futures contracts, that can help you maximize your profits. However, there are also some cons to using Binance. One of the main concerns is the security of the exchange. While Binance has not suffered any major hacks, there have been reports of phishing attempts and other security breaches in the past. Therefore, it's important to take extra precautions to protect your account and your assets. Another potential downside of Binance is its user interface. For beginners, the platform can be overwhelming and difficult to navigate. Additionally, some users have complained about the speed and stability of the Binance platform, which can be frustrating during times of high volatility. Overall, Binance is a great option for those looking to trade cryptocurrencies due to its wide range of trading pairs, low fees, and advanced trading tools. Thanks for tuning in.